friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss how we can create different floors in Revit architecture. So let us begin. This is the plan which I have drawn with the help of wall command, and if you go to your default 3D view, you will see that these all are suppose these all are rooms, and we need to place floors inside this. So how we will do? So I'm going to level 1, and I'm going to my architecture tab, and I'm going to my floor architectural here, and I'm going to select floor architecture. We are nothing to do with this floor as structural, and floor by face we'll see in massing how we'll deal with this, and floor slab edge is for the structure part. So I'm going to select this floor architectural, and if you select floor architectural, this floor generic 12 inch will appear, and after this you will see a lot of varieties in this which we'll see. I'm going to select this floor generic 12 inch, and I'm going to draw inside this. Suppose I want to draw some floors inside this wall, so I'm going to select this line command, and you can select one by one also, and I'm going to draw my floors, and uh, I'm going to finish this edit mode, and now your floor has been created. And if you go to your default review, and you can see your floors has been created, and there are so many things inside this floor. So I'm going to again to my architecture floor, and I'm going to select this some other things like wood joist 10-inch wood finish, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to draw inside with the help of this rectangle command, and again you can finish this. And if you go to your default 3D view, you can see this wood finish floors has been created with the help of rectangle command. Again I am going to draw some floors here. So again I am going to my floor architectural, and you can uh, draw this by help of this line command. It's fully a square or rectangular, you can use rectangle command. I am going to use this line command for this. And also you can select this peak line, which I will show in this part how we'll place a floor inside this. I'm going to use this line command. I am going to draw my floor here, and I'm going to finish edit mode, and now to go to your default 3D view, course has been created. And suppose if you want to place floors inside this curve like space, but with the help of line command it will be a bit difficult. I'm going to my floor architectural, and if you use this line command, this will be a bit difficult because this is curve. So better you use this peak line. So I'm going to select this peak line, and if you go to this floor, and you can select this each part by pick line, and you can trim this by help of trim command. You can trim it. After that you can finish edit mode, and your floors has been created easily with the help of pick line. So suppose if you want to change your material inside this, and you want to place some marble flooring here, and you want to edit the thickness of this floor, because this is 12 inch, and if you want to reduce the thickness, you can do by going to select this floor, and after this you will go to this edit type, and you, as earlier I have told that for every floors, walls and roof, whatever, you have to first duplicate this, and you can rename it also, that you can rename it to marble flooring here, marble flooring. And I'm going to select, and I'm going to this structure, construction structure, edit type, and you can change the thickness from here. Let's suppose this is by default it is 1 feet, and make it 6 inch. And your structure material, you can change it by here by category. You have to click it once, and after this you can go to this material browser, and you can select this sphere part, like plus sign is given here. You can go and click here and create new material. I'm going to select this, create a new material here, and you can rename it also, and you can leave it like this also. I'm going to rename it like marble floor, marble floor. I'm going to hit enter. So first you have to check here that it should be selected. So again, after this making new marble floor, I'm going, you have to go to this material list. This is called open close asset browser. You go and click here, and now you can search here for marble. And if you search marble, some default marbles will appear here, and you can go and check for flooring here also, appearance flooring. And I'm going to select flooring, and you can select any marble. Suppose I'm going to select this marble deep green, and I'm going to hit apply. Okay. And so suppose this is the final result. My floor has been changed. I'm going to click OK, and again OK. So you can clearly see that your floor has been changed. You can edit thickness also. Likewise, you can change materials. Here also you can go edit type, and you can duplicate this, and you can make it some other wooden flooring, and you have to click OK. Then you go to structure, edit, and you can change the finished material from here. Like this is given oak flooring, I'm going to change it. Again, you have to create a new material. You can rename it wooden flooring to one anything, and you have to go to this material asset, and you can search for wood, and you will go to some finish, or you can select flooring, and I'm going to select this beech wood galliano, and I'm going to hit apply. Okay, okay, okay. So you can see that material has been changed here, and you can change the scale because they are almost similar. And go to edit type and structure, and you can go to your wooden flooring too, and you can go to the here appearance, and you can change a scale from here. Suppose this is default, you will go down here and position a scale, and you can change the scale from here 5 feet to 5 feet. And I will discuss in detail about how we will apply materials later on. I'm going to then apply. Okay, okay. So you will see some scale has become larger here. So these are the methods how we will apply, create some basic materials in floors, how we will create floors in Revit architecture. You can also make different shapes with the help of floors. So I am going to again this floor architectural, and here you are seeing a span arrow, span direction. So boundary line is for creating your floor. Suppose I'm going to create one floor of any size, and if you want to slope in one directions, like we have seen in some swimming pools, you can create with the help of this slope arrow the flooring of swimming pool. I'm going to select this slope arrow, and after this you can make slope in any direction. I'm going to select this direction, and after that is slope arrow, you can edit this by going to this edit of slope arrow, like specify height at tail, level at tail, tail is this one, and head is this one. So you can give any specific height. Suppose height at tell means height at here is default 1 feet, and level at head default height offset is 0 feet. So I'm going to make it 6 feet here, and I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to finish this. After that, you can go to your preview and you can see the slope has been changed. This floor, you can clearly see this is tail and this is head. This is head at 1 feet and this is at 6 feet. So you can play and you can make a swimming pool with the help of this floor material. I will make one tutorials on how you can create swimming pool with the help of this floor. And after this, if you go to your again floor architectural, and after this is a span direction. So for architecture we have nothing to do more with this span direction. This is for a structural part. So for understanding, this is just a symbol to symbolize a structural floor. So if you go to your architecture, I'm going to control Z, and I'm going to this floor, and I'm selecting this floor architect structural, and you have to select this some structural floor here, and you can go and finish this. So you are seeing this symbols of a span direction in arrow is showing in this direction. So I am going to select this, and I'm going to edit boundary, and I'm going to span direction changing is to this direction. So I'm going to finish this, and you can see that the arrow has been changed to this direction. So this is part of structural part. So you have to play with floor, how you will apply materials with the help of this floor architectural. Also you can make different shapes with the help of floor. So if you can create a roof also with the help of floor, you can create pergola. Suppose I'm going to draw this floor, and you can I'm going to finish this first, and I'm going to draw a wall here, wall architectural. I'm going to draw a wall, and I'm going to my default 3D view. So this is the floor which we have created, and you can change the height of this floor by clicking this one, and height offset you can change. This is I'm going to select generic 12 inch, and I'm going to select this level 1 height offset. You can change it. Suppose if you want to make sill lintel level for a window, you can go and make it like 7 feet. You can create, and your floors you can create lintel for windows. Also you can make roof also, you can make pergola also with the help of this floor. Suppose I'm going to take it to height level of 10 feet at roof level and floor level. So if you want to edit this floor, you will go and select this, and you will go to edit boundary, and you will select this roof floor, and you can edit this. You can make pergola. Suppose I'm going to select this rectangle command, and I'm going to make some holes in this floor. So I'm going to edit this floor. I'm going to make a rectangle like things to create hollow part in this. So I'm going to select this rectangle part, and I'm going to make copy of this, create a pergolas, and you have to create multiple copies. So I'm going to select multiple here, and you can create multiple copies here of this floor, and you can go and finish this edit mode. After this, I will go to my default 3D view, and you can see that Rola has been created with the help of this floor. So with the help of floor or roof, also you can create pergolas, and you can change the material by going to edit tab, duplicate, and you can change the material anything by going to create new material and applying white material here. I'm going to hit apply. Okay. Okay. So you can see how I have created pergola with the help of my floor, and later on I will make tutorial how you will create swimming pool with the help of this floor. So this is the basic introduction about how we'll make use of this floor material and floor architectural. So you can create different shapes also, you can apply different materials also. And in the next video tutorial, we'll see how we'll make patterns in floor architecture. So this was the tutorial for today's session. So in the next session, I will bring how we'll make customized floors. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.